Hello there. So you want to know how you can host other streamers on your Twitch account? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Back in the days, you had to do so much just to go ahead and host people. However, nowadays that's not the case. Open any browser that you prefer using and load up twitch.tv. Once you've done that, make sure that you are already logged in into your account right over here. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. Once you've logged in, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your creator dashboard. And now all you need to do in Stream Manager is that there's going to be a host channel option right over here. So as you can see, rate channel, but you might not find the host channel right over here. So all you need to do is on your own chat, all you need to do is simply write /host and then the channel name of that particular person. Okay, so the person that you want to simply go ahead and host, just write it here and then just enter on your chat. And then as you can see, it didn't pop up here because now what's happening is Twitch is looking for that channel to go ahead and host from your channel. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.